Good morning, fellas. I'm here with my kids. We're just chilling in the bedroom. Say hi, hi. There you go. We're just making a video real quick. There you go. Okay. Yeah, I'm just doing some thinking about uh, maybe one day, if I become successful, I'm thinking about two things: food truck or container van. So yeah, I'm hoping I'll get there one day. I know sinabi nila pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. That's what I'm thinking. Here's my son and my daughter. We're just having fun. So yeah, what do you guys think? Container van or food truck? So here's some example of the food truck. There you go. It's right here. Or container van for one. Which one do you guys think? There you go. There goes my kids. So when it comes down to it, it's two things that I believe. Product knowledge. You're not going to be able to explain what you're selling to your customer if you don't even know what you're talking about. That's why you need to know the product knowledge. And second, you know what's the other thing that's important? It's what's in it for them. So in order for you to be able to sell that, you need to have good ingredients. You need to have a lot of things. And these what I'm going by with my business. What's in it for them and the product knowledge for me to be able to explain and for me to be able to satisfy them. Thank you. There you go. So what is it gonna be? Food truck or container van? Let me know what's up. Thank you.